Hello everyone! In this video, we're going to create this home page. More specifically, we're going to work on layout part of pages. Layout is like a frame for pictures and pictures are the pages like home page. Since my website is about books, I have author page, book page, etc. In short, we're going to do the left column, top and right hidden navigation bar. Alright, since layout is like a frame for our pictures, the pictures get generated by the render body function. For our top bar, we're going to work in header tag. Before we start, in previous video, I assigned a mini task to do in JS file to make the text change color every time we click it. Just check with my code and we're good to go. I changed the shadow to a yellow-brownish color. See where it's set. You can just write the name of the color or type RGB, parenthesis, and put the numbers for red, green, and blue. You can find the box shadow class in the layout.js file with the hotkeys Ctrl+F. Back to layout.cs HTML file, and we're going to delete couple things. Delete this button. Our next victim is the A tag linked to our home page. Fine, we won't delete it, but what we will do is add some changes. Instead of text, we will have a home icon placed here. Type img for image tag, src for source, and their type images / your image. Add style, height, put about 25 pixels. You might question, where did I get images folder from? I simply created it and added my images there. The image folder is one of subfolders in www.root. Alright, now delete links to privacy and home pages and the div. We don't need a container if we have only one element there. Cool. We have our icon and it works. Let's instead hello page put about the owner, since there you have a bit info about yourself. Add font family, style, and font size. Time to create search bar. Before this, a tag add div with class named search bar and btn. Inside of div add input tag, this the searching bar itself. To the input tag add type text and placeholder. Placeholder is the text inside of an input space. Here's an example. Also add max length of characters that people can type in, and in style add width of the search bar. And of course add button tag. Inside of it on click, and our function in JS will be called search. Next, we're going to create right navigation bar. Our containers class will be called just side nav. Adding button with Idaho close btn and on click function close. Our button is image, so add image tag and specify the picture as a source and apply height with width. Outside of div add another button, this time it is open button. Though it is identical to our close button, it has couple tweaks. Create a new file in CSS subfolder in which you'll move the style from about the owner page. And I renamed the about the owner file. Don't forget to link our style sheet. By default, our buttons appear on left side. We need to move them to right top angle. Go to layout CSS file and apply the style to our search bar. Next, apply style to sidenav class. You can type it right away into the CSS file. Or you can play with the styles by yourselves. Yeah, I know, I could have deleted this part where I'm testing what style is working and which is not, but I don't want to delete my recordings and tests. So yeah, you'll watch this. Alright, done. Now copy and paste. You can now stop the video and copy my code. Moving on, time to add style for our open and close buttons. Making sure style did apply. I mean, of course it did, but it's like a habit to recheck, I guess. Also, we can make buttons round by changing its border radius. If you know multiple elements will share the same style, you can style them together by listing their IDs or classes separated by commas. Go to our JS file. We're gonna make them buttons functionable. At the top, create two constants. Name them clearly like const open button and const close button. This way, we can easily add functionality to these buttons later. At the bottom, create two functions. Name them open and close, and put parenthesis. Parenthesis let us know that it is indeed a function. In these functions, all we do is change location and visibility of our buttons and width of our navigation bar. Add ID to sidenav div tag. Alright, navbar opens. Now make it close by yourself. It shouldn't be hard. Look at the open function and close function should be the opposite of it. Our functions work, but it feels like navbar itself is invisible. What's wrong? We forgot to add color to it. Almost there. Add ID to about the owner label. It is visible now. To row 2 div style, add transition 1 second. I'll also add left border, or call it a line, to our navbar. There are many options regarding borders such as solid line, dotted, different width, colors, etc. It now looks how I want it. I'll now slow down video so you could copy my style. Oh, forgot to add transition 1 second to close button. My bad, chat. Cool. We're good now. Officially done with side navigation bar. Time to fill it with some links. We do that with UL and LI tags. Hopefully you remember what it is from previous videos. Add ID to UL tag and run the program to edit LI tags in the browser. But firstly, we're gonna style the UL tag real quick. Can't remember if they mention in the resources I gave that if you want to move an element with typing left top, whatever, you can't do that without specifying element's position. If we want to apply one style to all IL tags inside nav UL, we can do so by typing the tag and then LI. This interpreted as style for all LI tags and element with ID side nav UL. Alright, we see more space between our links. Forgot to add a tag into LI tags. So on the left side, I have links to account, saved books, etc. Add links to whatever you want. Alright, they are workable, but don't work because we didn't add the link itself to any of them. That's fine, cause we're gonna do that later. Time to add our last left column. For that, we're gonna need two containers. To the outer one, we'll apply ID left column. The inner one we'll call left column container. Pretty original, huh? In my left column, I have H1 and LI tags, so that's what I'm gonna put here. Once you're done, go to CSS and oh my gosh, we're gonna add some style. The most exciting part ever. And of course the most stressful, in my opinion. Apply display flex to left column. Display flex arranges the element's children. Children means what is inside of the element, in a row by default instead of stacking them vertically. It also makes it easy to change the direction, space them out, or center them. And then apply height 100% as always and width whichever you want. Then position absolute. The inner container's turn comes. Width 100% so it equals to left column's width. Display as one big block, border right style, width, and color. For borders color, I'll do RGB. First three numbers are red, green, and blue. Then after slash goes opacity %. Opacity 1 means not transparent at all. I like how it now looks, but what I don't like is this space. To fix it, we need to bring it back up a bit, but how much is a bit? If you go to header style, scroll all the way down, you'll find its size. From there, take the second number and in left column div say top and put the number. Fixed it. Now totally satisfied. See that our header isn't following us when we scroll down. It stays at the top, unlike this button. Let's fix that. But it won't work by just adding position fixed. Why it won't work? Because I tried it before recording. Yeah, see? Won't work. Firstly, get rid of nav and header. We don't need it. So to fix this header, we gotta touch not only style, but also the HTML file. Firstly, rename container into header container. Then we're gonna divide header into 3 parts. I like to add comments so I could find what I need faster. To keep our code clean and readable, line up each line properly. This is called formatting. Use Tab to move a line forward and Shift Tab to move it back. We're gonna have 2 to 3 divs. Container left, center, and right. I might not add right div because there is just a link, but you sure can. Alright, let's style it now. In header container, put display flex, align item center, justify content isn't necessary, height 100%, and now save. To header tag itself, we add box shadow. Just copy from my screen. Position fixed, width 100% of course, background color, z-index 1 and height. Think of z-index like layers in Photoshop. As number for z-index goes up, the element moves higher in the stack, sitting on top of the others. Let's now work on this label and home icon. For header left, it's enough to add single margin left, about 50 or so pixels. Now, the label. First of all, gotta move it left. I'm going to use margin right for that. 80 pixels is perfect for me. If I haven't said it earlier, add ID to our label so when the right bar opens, the label was sliding left. Go to JavaScript file and make the label move with other elements in open and close functions. This is interesting. Why is home icon pressed to the left? And the label isn't moving as it was expected. Let's see what is the problem. Style is okay. Maybe console will tell me. Oh, I misspelled. Oopsies. Okay, it works. But let me play with the pixels, because it doesn't really slide far as I wanted.
2 very boring minutes later. 5 minutes later.
Oh Lord. We already had, or at least I already had, line changing the label's margin right, so we need to delete one. Yes! Finally! Now you, icon, what is wrong with you? Guys, please don't be me and don't type fast. I instead of saying class said Cass. Also, in tag A, delete class. Navbar brand is one of built-in classes. Well, we're done. Thanks for watching this video and see you in the next.